श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तिः। वागीशाद्यास्मनः सर्वार्थानामुपक्रमेण नत्वा कृतकृत्यास्युतं नमामि गजाननं। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। यो नित्यमच्युतपदाम्बुजे गुरुर्भव्यामोहतसदतराणि तृणाय मेने अस्मद्गुरोः भगवतोऽस्य दयैकसिन्धोः रामानुजस्य चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये। यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण द्वैतवासना प्रमुच्यते बोधात्मकाय नमस्तस्मै भगवते श्रीरमणमहर्षे हृदाकाशे सदा भान्तं शान्तमानन्दरूपिणं ज्ञानवान् वन्दे सद्गुरुं श्रीसत्यसायिनं मन्त्रयामिनं। दौर्भिर्युक्ता चतुर्भिस्फटिकमणिमयीमक्षमालां ददानास्तेन एकेन बुद्धं शतं पुस्तकं चापरेण भासा कुन्देन्दुशङ्खस्फटिकमणिनिभा भासमाना समाना सा मे वाग्देवतेयं निवसतोदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरमधुराक्षरमार्क्य शाखामध्ये वाल्मीकि कोकिलम् गोष्पदीकृतवारीशमशकीकृतराक्षसं रामायण महामालारत्नं वन्दे अनिलात्मजमञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकी शोकनाशनं कपीशमक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम् उल्लङ्घ्य सिन्धोसलिलं सलिलं यशोकवन्यं जनकात्मजाया आदाय तेनैव तदाह लङ्कां नमामि तं प्राञ्जलिराञ्जनेयम् आञ्जनेयमधिपाटलाननं कञ्चनाद्रिकमणीयविग्रहं पारिजाततरुमूलवासिनं भावयामि पवमाननन्दनं। यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकम् मनोजवमारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजमानरयूतमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि। वेदवेद्ये परे वंशजातिदशरथात्मजे वेदप्राचेतसा दासीत् साक्षात् रामायणात्मना। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताय पतये नमः। वैदेही सहितं सुरद्रुमतले मे महामण्डपे मध्ये पुष्पकमासने मणिमये वीरासने सुस्थितमग्रे वाचयति प्रपञ्चनसुते तत्त्वं मुनिभ्यः परं व्याख्यान्तं भरतादिविपरिवृतं रामं भजे श्यामळम्। वामे भूमिसुता पुरश्च हनुमान् पश्चात् सुमित्रा सुता शत्रुघ्नो भरतश्च पार्श्वदलयोः वायुवादुकोणे च सुग्रीवश्च विभीषणश्च तारासुतो जाम्बवान् मध्ये नीलसरोजकोमलरुचिं रामं भजे श्यामळम्। नमोऽस्तु रामाय लक्ष्मणाय देव्यै च तस्यै जनकात्मजाय नमोस्तु रुद्रेन्द्रयमानिलेभ्यो नमोस्तु चन्द्रार्कमरुद्गणेभ्यः। जानकीकान्तस्मरणम् आञ्जनेय स्वामी की। द्वौ मासौ रक्षितव्यौ मे Ravana gives Sita 2 months time to make her mind up. Within this duration she does not submit to him, then he says 2 months later, I shall eat you up for breakfast. When he threatens her like this, even then Sita initially tried tempting her, now he is threatening her, even then she is not willing to give in or concede. Childra, instead she says, नूनं न ते जनः कश्चिद् अस्ति न निःश्रेयसे स्थितः निवारयति यो न त्वां कर्मणोऽस्माद् विगर्हितान्. Obviously, Ravana, it is very clear that amongst all your subjects, all your people, there is nobody who is interested in your welfare. Nunam nate janak kaschid asti nishreyase stitaha. There is nobody who is interested in your welfare. Because nobody is preventing you from this reproachable act. Nobody is dissuading you from doing what you are attempting to do. Who in their right minds would even mentally seek the consort of Sri Rama? Rakshasadhama. Oh, most vile amongst Rakshasas, where do you think you can escape after committing a sin like this? Do you think you can escape the consequences of your sinful words? That you have spoken against Rama's Patni? Ramasya bharyam amita tejasaha. Ramasya bharya. I am Rama's wife. And who is Rama? Amita tejasaha, of unlimited prowess, unlimited brilliance. How do you think you can escape after speaking these words? How is it that even after speaking these words, your tongue has not dropped down from your mouth? Tasya dharmatmanah patnim snusham dasharatasya cha. Dasharatha's daughter-in-law, Rama's wife, I am. After speaking such words, despicable words to me, how is it that your tongue is not rotted and fallen down? How is it that your eyes have not already become blinded after seeing me with these eyes of evil intent? Asandeshat tu Ramasya tapasaschanupalanat natvam kurmi darshagriva basma basmarga tejasa. Hey Ravana, I can reduce you to ashes by the power of my own tapasya. அப்படி சக்தி இருக்கு எனக்கு. I've got the சக்தி. பஸ்ம பஸ்ஹார்ஹ தேஜசா அப்படின்னா I've got shakti enough in me. With my own tapas, I can reduce you. Basma kurmi. I can reduce you to ashes, but I'm not doing it. Yen அப்படின்னா Asandeshat tu Ramasya. I have not received permission from Rama to do so. Not having received message or permission from Rama, tapasaschanu and also in order to protect my own tapasya, preserve my own tapas shakti, I am not burning you down to ashes even though I am fully capable of doing so. When I was with Rama, was it possible for you to abduct me? Anal, the fact that you have brought me here, the idea that entered into your brain to kidnap me and bring me here is no doubt the work of providence. It is no doubt the work of vidhi, of your fate. It is working in such a way, it is cleverly contriving such situation in such a way that you can be destroyed. Tavapadarthaya, அப்படின்னு சொன்னா Tavapadarthaya, ஒன்ன வதம் பண்றதுக்காகத்தான். In order to put an end to you, in order to destroy you completely, vidhi or fate has acted in such a manner, has worked in such a way that it has given you these kind of ideas in your mind. You claim to be such a great warrior, Shurena, அப்படின்னு சொல்ற தனதப்ராத்ரா பலைஹி சமுத்துதேனச்ச. You claim to be such a great warrior, you claim to be the brother of Kubera. If all those things are true, then why did you have to abduct me after sending Rama away from that place? She starts to twit him again. He becomes very angry. And children, don't think I will not destroy you, I will destroy you now itself. Ravana becomes very angry and takes a few steps towards her. And the title is Dhanyamalini. Patini. Dhanyamalini is a wife of Ravana. She comes there and embraces him. Maya Krida Maharaja Sitaya Kim Tavanaya Vivarnaya Kripanaya Manushya Rakshasheshwara. You come and sport with me, spend time with me. Why do you want to waste your time with this silly, stupid, pitiable, wretched human being? When she's so pale. நம்மள மாதிரி கண்ணங்கருக்க இருக்காளா அவ? நமக்குலாம் எவ்வளோ கலர் இருக்கு, நம்ம கலரே இல்லையா அவளுக்கு அப்படின்னு வெளுத்து போய் கிடக்கா அவ. அனிமியா. Look at her skin, look at her how thin she is, how emaciated she is. விவர்ணா அப்படின்னு சொன்னா. வர்ணா அப்படின்னா கலர்னு அர்த்தம். விவர்ணா அப்படின்னா வித்தவுட் கலர்னு அர்த்தம். ஏன் வெள்ளையா இருக்கா கலர் இல்லாம தானே இருக்கா? கொஞ்சம் கலரா இருக்க வேண்டாமா? Different shades of brown, black, etc. can only be called color. Rest cannot be called color at all. அது colorless. Vivarnaya, she's of pale complexion. She's after all a wretched human being. Why do you want to waste your time? You are Rakshasheshwaran, you are the lord of all Rakshasas. Nano Rakshasi. Come, let us go away. She is obviously not destined to enjoy all the pleasures that you are providing her, that you are willing to offer her. Why do you unnecessarily waste your time with her? Desiring a woman who does not desire you is not good for your health. Akamam kamayanasya shariram upatapyate. Shariram upatapyate. என்ன அர்த்தம்? ரொம்ப காமனான ஒரு நியூஸ், ஒரு விஷயம் நமக்கு எல்லாருக்குமே. When you desire something that you do not have, your body suffers as a result of it. Shariram upatapyate. உடம்பே ஒரு மாதிரி சஃபர் பண்றது. Body suffers, mind suffers, எல்லாம் சஃபர் பண்றது இல்லையா? Dhanyamalini somehow convinces Ravana and takes him away from that place. Before going, Ravana tells all the Rakshasis who are guarding Sita, talk to her in such a manner that she is willing to accept me after the duration of these 2 months, before the duration of these 2 months. Abdini gives a warning and goes away. Ravana and his entire retinue depart. Partha, all the other Rakshasis are all sitting there around Sita. Hanuman is watching the entire show from behind the leaves of the Simshupa tree. Appo all the Rakshasis one by one start talking to Sita. ஒருத்தோட பேரையும் வர்ணிக்கிறார் பாவம் நினைக்கிட்டு வால்மீகி விடாம ஏதோ திஷனா அவசனா இவசனான்னு சொல்லாம ஏகஜட்டா அப்படின்னு ஒருத்தி. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் யார் பேசுறா அப்படின்னா ஏகஜட்டா தான் பேசுறா. ஏகஜட்டா அப்படின்னா ஜட்டா அப்படின்னா பிரைட், ஏகஜட்டானா ஒரே ஒரு பிரைடு தான் இருக்கும். 3 ஜட்டா அப்புறம் இருக்கும். 3 ஜட்டா will come later on. அவ 3 ஜட்டா, she's got 3 braids. இவ ஏகஜட்டா. அந்த ஏகஜட்டா சொல்றா, do you know who Ravana is? Do you know who Ravana is? Brahma. Do you know Brahma? Creator of all the worlds. And the Brahma had ஒரு மைண்ட் born மானசபுத்திரன். யாருன்னா புலஸ்திய ரிஷி. और பிரஜாபதிகள்ல he was the fourth amongst the பிரஜாபதி. மரீச்சி, அத்ரி, அங்கிரா, புலஸ்தியா, பிளஹா, கிரது அப்படிங்கிற பிரஜாபதிகள்ல புலஸ்திய பிரஜாபதி. புலஸ்தியா son was Vishrava. Vishrava's son is our Ravana. அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம் பாரு. His great grandfather is Brahma himself. Bherbata Ravana, he's an extraordinary emperor of all the Rakshasas. He is asking you to marry him now. What is wrong with you? Why don't you accept? ஏக ஜட்டா சொன்னதுக்கு அப்புறம் ஹரி ஜட்டா சொல்றா. ஹரி ஜட்டா அப்படின்னா கிரீன் ஹேர். கலர் பண்ணி வச்சுருக்கா கிரீன் கலர்ல தலைமையில ஹரி ஜட்டா. அவன் சொல்றா 33 crores of devatas have been conquered by our Ravana. You should be happy. You should be proud that he is asking you to marry him. What is wrong with you? அப்படின்னா அவன் சொல்றா. பிரகசான் ஒருத்தி, விகட்டான் ஒரு ராட்சசி, several Rakshasi, Durmukhi அப்படின ஒரு ராட்சசி. All of these Rakshasis, all of them are trying to convince her to give up her false, stubborn penance and marry Ravana. எல்லாம் கேட்க துர்மா சொல்றா. They are all chiding her. Each one is trying to, some are tempting her, some are scolding her, some are threatening her. In all these manners, these Rakshasis are tormenting Sita, who has to listen to all of these things. Ava cholra, na manushe rakshasasya varya bhavitumarhati. Na manishima, I am a human being. What is wrong with all of you? Why should a human being marry a Rakshasa? Adu, I am already married to Rama. Kamam kadatamam sarva na karishyami vovachaha. If you want, you eat me up, but I will definitely not do what you are asking me to do. Deenova rajyahinova yome bharta same guruhu. Deenova rajyahinova, whether he is a wretched man, whether he is bereft of his kingdom, banished from his kingdom, whether he is wealthy or not wealthy, whether he is noble or ignoble, it does not matter. Yo me bharta same guruhu. My bharta, my husband is my guru, is everything to me. Adanala I am always devoted to him. Eppadina yata suryam suvarchala. Just as Suvarchala is ever devoted to Surya. Suvarchala is the wife of Surya. Just as Suvarchala is always devoted to Surya, yata Shachi Mahabhaga Shakram Samupatishtati. Just as Sachi Devi is ever devoted to Indra. Arundhati Vasishtam cha. Just as Arundhati is always devoted to Vasishta. Rohini Shashinam yatha. Just as Rohini always follows the moon, Chandra. Lopamudra yada Agastyam. Just as Lopamudra, the wife of Agastya, is ever devoted to him alone. Sukanya Chavanam yatha. Just as Sukanya is always devoted to Chavana Maharshi. Savitri Satyavantam cha. Just as Savitri was always devoted to Satyavan, and for his sake he even went up to Yamaloka and fought with Yama to bring his life back for him. Kapilam Shrimati yata. Just as Shrimati is the lawful wife of Kapila and always devoted to him. Saudasam Madayantiva. Just as Sauda, the husband, has got Madayanti as the wife who is always devoted to him. Keshini Sagaram yata. Just as Keshini is the devoted wife of Sagara Chakravarti. Naishadam Damayanti va Bhaimi Patimanuvrata. Just as Bhaimi, the daughter of the king Bhima, Damayanti is always devoted to her husband Nala. Tataham Ikshvaku Varam Ramam Patimanuvrata. அப்படின்னா தினம் நித்தியம் எழுந்து காலங்கார்த்தால் அத்தனை பேரையும் ஸ்மரிப்பாளாம் சீதை. Every morning when Sita wakes up, who does she remember? After remembering her own husband, Sri Rama, she remembers all of these Pativrata Stris: Suvarchala, Shachi, Arundhati, Rohini, Lopamudra, Sukanya, Savitri, Shrimati, Madyanti, Damayanti, Keshini, itana very way she is remembering every day so that she may also live her life in that same manner. Adanala childra, I count myself in their ranks. I am like them. I will never even think even mentally about anybody else in my mind, even in my mind. Once again, all the Rakshasis become very angry on listening to this. They all say, enough. What you have done is enough. Nee pannadu porum amma. Oru solra Vinathan orthi solra paavo. The Vinathangra Rakshasi enna solra appadina Sita kitta, Sita paryaptam porumma. Sita, you have shown your devotion to your husband for this long. Now I am not saying that you are not a Pativrata Stri. Ravana brought you here. You did not yield to him. For so many months you have been waiting for your husband to come. Analum, you have, in a way, you have discharged your duty towards your husband. He has not done anything towards you. You have discharged your duty towards your husband by waiting for him and not giving in to Ravana's demands. But what has your husband done for you? Has he come? Has he sent any message for you? Has he done anything to rescue you? He has totally ignored you. Abdi irukha நீ பாட்டு போயிட்டே இருக்கியே. சர்வார்த்தாத்ரி கிருதம் பத்ரே வியசனாயோபகல்பதே. அதிகிருதம் எப்பவுமே எவ்ரிதிங் இன் எக்ஸஸ் லீட்ஸ் டு ட்ரபிள். போர், அதனால பக்தியும் எக்ஸஸ்ல வேண்டாம். டியூட்டி ஆல்சோ நீட் நாட் பி கேரி டு எக்ஸசஸ். போர் அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. நிறைய பேர் சொல்லுவா அது மாதிரி, என்ன பக்தி ஒரே எதிரே வேரோட பிடுங்குறியே அப்படின்பா. இல்லையா, என்ன ஒரு பெரிய பக்தி, உனக்கு தான் பக்தி, எங்களுக்கு பக்தி இல்லையா, நம்ம இப்போ பாரு பக்தி நம்ம அறிவின்னு இருக்கே அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவா சில பேர்லாம். Some people will come well-intentioned, so-called well-intentioned people will come and tell us everything in excess is bad. Devotion also, spirituality also should be within limits. Bhakti also should be within limits. You cannot go like this. அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவா. அவள யாரு அப்படின்னா வினதாக்கு சொந்தம் அவள்லாம். இந்த வினதான் ராட்சசி ஒருத்தி இருக்கா. வினதா அப்படின்னு ராட்சசி இருக்கா. ததஸ்தாம் வினதா நாம ராட்சசி பீமதர்ஷனா எப்படி இருக்கானா அப்படின்னா பீமதர்ஷனா அப்படிங்கிறான். She is terrible to look at. கராளா நிர்ணதோதரி அப்படின்னா பயங்கரமா இருக்கா பாக்குறதுக்கு. கராளா அப்படின்னா லோத்சம் அப்பியரன்ஸ். வெறும் பிசிக்கல் அப்பியரன்ஸ் மாத்திரம் இல்ல, her advice also is லோத்சம்ங்கிறதுனால. It is not wholesome. On the other hand, it is loathsome. வினதா. நம்ம ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும், நமக்கு அந்த மாதிரி யாராவது வந்து சொன்னாலும் anybody if they come and tell us everything should be within limits, even bhakti should be within limits அப்படின்னு somebody should tell us. Spirituality also should be within limits அப்படின்னு somebody should tell us அப்படின்னா immediately you can know அவ குலம் கோத்திரம்லாம் கேட்க வேண்டாம், வினதா அப்படின்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். அவள்லாம் மைனதையா அப்படின்னு பேர் வச்சுடலாம். அவளுக்கு மைனதையான கருடனுக்கும் மைனதையான பேர் தான். இருந்தாலும் என்ன பண்றது, வினதான் 100 பேர் வச்சுருக்காளே. They are all the descendants of this Rakshasi called Vinatha. அப்படின்னு you can immediately mentally classify all of them and put them into that bucket. என்ன அவ சொல்றா பாவம், நன்னா சொல்றா. பரிதுஷ்டாஸ்மி பத்ரந்தே மானுஷஸ்தே கிருதோ விதிஹி மமாபி து வசப்பத்யம் புர்வந்த்யா குரு மைதிலி. You have fulfilled your human duties to very well, in fact. Completely to perfection, you have fulfilled your human duties by waiting for your husband. Now enough is enough. You should not go to excesses with all of that. Adanal listen to my words. Na patyama da na solren. What my words are very wholesome. My advice is very healthy to you. Patyam. Adanal you must follow it and give in to Ravana. Appadina ava solran. Ibriya each one is trying to terrorize her, threaten her, entice her in every manner. In all these ways they are trying to get her to listen to Ravana's words. Some people also try to give or take away any hope from her. Till today no one has ever managed to enter Lanka. No outsider has ever come. Nobody even knows where it is. It's an unmarked island. Maps la kuda kadayadu. Unmarked island, even GPS satellites cannot find us. We are flying under the radar. Nobody can find us. We are stealth mode la irukom nammo. Adala nobody can find us. If you have got any hope still in your mind that your husband Rama will somehow come, abdina give up all those hopes. Nobody can come. Adala it is better if you give in to Ravana. Abdina they try to frighten her, அப்படியுமே Sita does not listen to any of those words. On seeing this, all the Rakshasis become angry. ஒருத்தி சொல்றா, போருமா, enough. If the Sita does not listen to our words of advice, let us kill her. Let us pluck her heart and eat it. அப்படின்னு ஒருத்தி சொல்றா. உத்பாட்யவாதே ஹிருதயம் பக்ஷயிஷ்யாமி மைதிலி. I will uproot, pluck your heart from your chest and eat it. பக்ஷயிஷ்யாமி, I shall eat it if you don't listen to my words. சொல்றேன், எனக்கு இவளை பார்த்தாலே சாப்பிடணும் போல தோன்றது. I've been restricting myself all this time, but whenever I look at her, I feel like I should eat her up. பிரகசானோதி சொல்ற, பசாம ஒன்று பண்ணுவோமே, why don't we do one thing, why don't we squeeze her neck and kill her? கண்டமஸ்யா நிஷம்சாயா பீடயாமா கிமாஸ்யதே, let us kill her. And if Ravana asks, we will say she died after you came and terrorized her, she died அப்படி சொல்லிடுவோம் பசாமா. He will say, in that case you eat her up னு சொல்லிடுவான். We will eat her up. இதான் பெஸ்ட் சான்ஸ் நமக்கு. But let us kill her அப்படின்னு சொல்றா. பிரகசாப்னு ஒருத்தி சொல்றா, அஜாமுகின்னு ஒருத்தி இருக்கா, அவளும் சொல்றா, இவளை எப்படி சாப்பிடுறது அப்படின்னா, let us எத்தனை பேர் கவுண்ட் பண்ணுவோம், we will count how many people are there, then we will cut her body into equal pieces, then all of us can get a share அப்படின்னு அஜாமுகி சொல்றா. உங்க மேத்ஸ் எல்லாம் போட்டு வச்சு we shall share அப்படிங்கிறாப்பா. விபஜாம ததசர்வா விவாதோ நமே ரோச்சதே. எனக்கு I don't like arguments. சொல்றேன், எனக்கு ஆர்குமெண்ட்லாம் பிடிக்காது. இவளை கட் பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் எனக்கு உனக்கெல்லாம் சொல்லப்படாது. இப்பவே டிசைட் பண்ணிப்போம். Let us decide now itself. Afterwards, after killing her, then somebody will say, I want this part, I want that part, and சண்டை வரும். I do not like it. At the time, சாப்பாடை வச்சுண்டு food in front of our eyes and unnecessarily arguing. No. So before we kill her itself, let us decide who is getting what. விவாதோ நமே மேன ரோச்சதே. அதனால I don't like all this. Let us decide now itself. அப்புறம் என்ன சொல்றா அப்படின்னா, பேயமா நீயதாம் க்ஷிப்ரம் லேக்யமுச்சா வஜம் பகு. அவ சொல்ற, இது மெயின் டிஷ்ஷா இருக்கட்டும். If this is the main dish அப்படின்னா சைட்ஸ் எல்லாம் வேணும் இல்லையா? ஏதோ கார்லிக் பிரெட், அப்புறம் ஒரு கோக்கு, பெப்சி, கிப்சி ஏதாவது வேணுமே. பேயமானியதாம், சம்திங் டு ட்ரிங்க். லேஹ்யம் அப்படின்னா கொஞ்சம் சிப்ஸ், ஃப்ரைஸ் பை த சைட் எல்லாம் வேணுமே. அதெல்லாம் you bring all of those side dishes and keep ready. இவனை கொன்னுட்டு when we finish her, kill her, we will make her the main dish. Side dish மிச்சம் தொட்டு சாப்பிடுவோம் அப்படின்னு that Rakshasi says. அப்ப அங்க ஷூர்பனகான் இன்னொருத்தி, another ஷூர்பனகா. தத ஷூர்பனகா நாம ராட்சசி வாக்கியம் அப்ரவீத்னா. நம்ம இந்த மூக்கிலா ஷூர்பனகா இல்லை, இது வேற மூக்குடைய ஷூர்பனகா. This is another ஷூர்பனகா. காமன் நேம் போட்டுருக்கா பாத்துல. லங்கால காமன் நேம் ஷூர்பனகா போட்டுருக்கு. நிறைய ராட்சசி வச்சுப்பா, ஃபேஷனபிள் நேம். அவ சொல்றா, அஜாமுக்கியா யதுக்தம் ஹி ததேவ மம ரோச்சதே. I second அஜாமுகி's proposal. I am all for it அப்படின்னு அவ சொல்றா. அவ அதுக்கு மேல என்ன சொல்றா அப்படின்னா, சுராச்சானியதாம் க்ஷிப்ரம். அவ சொல்றா, பெப்சி கோக்கலாம் வேண்டாம், அதெல்லாம் டூ லேம். Let us not have Pepsi coconut. Our true blue Australian அவ பாவம். அவ என்ன சொல்றா, சுராச்சானியதாம், bring beer அப்படிங்கிறா. அவ she is not happy to settle for non-alcoholic drinks. அவ சொல்றா, bring beer, bring alcohol, reach little higher up the shelf அப்படின்னா நம்ம பிரீமியர் அந்த மாதிரி. We will reach a little higher up the shelf. அப்படின்னு bring all kinds of things. Let us drink all of that. எல்லாம் க்ஷிப்ரம் சர்வசோக விநாசினி. அவ பிராண்ட் அது பேர். அவ சுராபானம் வச்சுட்டு இருக்கா. அவளுக்கு they have got bottles. அந்த பிராண்ட் நேம் என்னன்னா சர்வசோக விநாசினி அப்படின்னு பிராண்ட் நேம். சர்வசோக விநாசினி பிராண்ட் அது. அப்படின்னா destroyer of all sorrows அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். சர்வசோக விநாசினி மீன்ஸ் destroyer of all sorrows. bring சர்வசோக விநாசினி சுரா அப்படின்னு சொல்றா. அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். இந்த ஒரு பேர் வச்சு சொல்றா இல்லையா, கால்டன் அப்படிங்கிறா, விக்டோரியா பிட்டர் அப்படிங்கிறா, அப்புறம் என்னமோ கொரோனா அப்படின்னு சொல்றா. பிஃபோர் கொரோனா பிகேம் வைரஸ், இட் யூஸ்ட் டு பி ட்ரங்க் பை பீப்புள். அப்போ கொரோனா அப்படின்னு சொல்றா, விக்டோரியா பிட்டர்னு சொல்றா, என்னமோ பேர் கால்டன்ஸ்னு சொல்றா இல்லையா. அந்த மாதிரி வச்சனா சர்வசோக விநாசினி அப்படிங்கிற பேர். bring that drink, let us drink all of that. அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணணும்னா, இந்த ஊர்க்கார மாதிரி ஆட வேண்டியது தானே. என்ன பண்ணணும்னா, மானுஷம் மாம்சம் ஆஸ்வாத்ய நிருத்யமதோ நிகும்பிலாம். அப்புறம் அவளுக்கு நைட் கிளப் எங்கன்னா நிகும்பிலா. ராட்சசிகளுக்கெல்லாம் they have a pub, they have a club. எங்க பேர் அப்படின்னா நிகும்பிலான்னு பேர் அதுக்கு. அவ என்ன சொல்றா அப்படின்னா, after eating her and drinking to our fill சர்வசோக விநாசினி we will drink, and then thereafter we will go and jump up and down, bum 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 மியூசிக் போட்டு லைட் எல்லாம் போட்டு ஜிகின்னு போட்டு some strobe lights will be there, some fellow will be going me அப்படின்னு பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பான் ஒருத்தன். இந்திரஜித்தும் போட்டிருக்கான், மொத்தம் இந்திரஜித் தான் போட்டிருக்காங்க பண்ணுறதுக்கு. ஒரு இதை வச்சு எனக்கு வீங்கன்னு ஆட்டுவான், இதுகள்லாம் குதிக்கும். ஆல் தீஸ் திங்ஸ் வில் ஜம்ப் அப் அண்ட் டவுன். இப்போ என்ன அர்த்தம்னா இந்த கல்ச்சர் இப்போ எப்போ இருக்கு. இந்த கல்ச்சர் எந்த கல்ச்சர்? ராட்சச கல்ச்சர்னு அர்த்தம். இதெல்லாம் இல்லை கிளியராக தெரியறது இல்லையா? We know where this culture comes from. This culture is actually present, has been always there in Treta Yuga also it was there, except it was restricted to the Rakshasa community. Today also it is present among the Rakshasa community only. அதெல்லாம் ஒன்றும் வித்தியாசம் இல்லை. It has not spread out of the Rakshasa community, except Rakshasa community is integrated with mainstream community. இப்படிதான் ப்ராப்ளம். அதனால எல்லாம் குதிக்கிறது சொல்றா. நிருத்யமதோ நிருத்யாமதோ நிகும்பிலாம், let us go to நிகும்பிலா and dance. இவ்வளவு தின்னுட்டு இவ்வளவு பிளான் போட்டாச்சா பார்த்தல? சீதா உட்காந்துருக்கா, குண்டுக்கெல்லாம் உட்காந்துருக்கா பாவம். Sita is still sitting there. Already the plans have been made. We will squeeze her neck, we will portion her up, we will eat a piece, we will drink, then we will go and dance. இத்தனை பிளான் போட்டாச்சு. பார்ட்டி ஆஃப்டர் பார்ட்டி எல்லாம் போட்டாச்சு. இப்படியா when all of them are start speaking, இதெல்லாம் கேட்டுன்னு உட்காந்துட்டு இருக்கா சீதை. You should imagine what is Sita's plight. ஒரே ஒரு ஸ்திரீ பாவம், one human being surrounded by all of these Rakshasis, far away from her husband, no hope whatsoever, does he even know where I am? Is there any hope for me? 2 months in ஒருத்தன் சொல்லிட்டு போறானே, some fellows coming and giving me 2 months time to be married or be eaten அப்படிங்கிறான். எனக்கு என்ன பண்ணுவேன்? Where shall I go? அப்படின்னு நினைச்சிட்டு இருக்கா. அததாசாம் வதந்தீனாம் பருஷம் தாருணம் பகு. She listening to all of these harsh cruel words of dire threat. எல்லாம் கேட்டுட்டு என்ன பண்ணா? ருரோத ஜனகாத்மஜா. Sita began to cry. Sita started to cry. இப்படியா எனக்கு புரியுது. ந மானுஷீ ராட்சசஸ்ய பாரியா பவித்துமர்ஹசி காமம் காததமாம் சர்வா ந கரிஷ்யாமி வோ வச்சஹா. என்ன சாப்பிட்டு தொலைங்கோ, ஈட் மீ அப்படின்னு சொல்றாப்பா. அழறா. He starts to cry, trembling like a banana tree which is uprooted by the stormy winds. Sita is seized with great fear and starts to cry. Ha rameti cha dukkarta, ha punarlakshmaneti cha, ha shvashru mama kausalye, ha sumitreti bhamini. Sita starts to cry, drowning in grief, sighing repeatedly, shedding tears of hot tears of sorrow. Sita starts to wail and lament. She calls out, Ha Rama, where are you? Alas, look at my plight. Where are you? Look what is happening to me. Enga irukka? Ha Lakshmaneti punar. Again, Ha Lakshmana, have you forgotten me? Have you taken my words so much to your heart that you are not even coming to rescue me? Ha Lakshmana, Ha Kausalye mama swashru. ஓ மை மதர் இன் லா கௌசல்யா அப்படின்னு கத்துறா. யாரை கூப்பிட்டா தேவலேன்னு தெரியும். இங்கே கௌசல்யா எங்கே இருக்கா? பக்கத்தில் கௌசல்யா இருக்காளா? இருந்தாலும் என்ன பண்ணுவோம் கௌசல்யா பாவம். ராமராவது சரி, அட்லீஸ்ட் காலிங் அவுட் டு ராமா மேக்ஸ் சென்ஸ். ராமா கேன் கம் அண்ட் கான்கர் them. What will கௌசல்யா do அப்படின்னா அந்த டயத்தில் she is in such a dire need of some maternal affection. அதனால ஹா கௌசல்யே ஹா சுமித்ரே திவாமினி, ஹா சுமித்ரா, ha Kausalya. Vadane எனக்கு, these are the few well wishers that I had. If something happened to me na, these are the people that will come and console me, comfort me. ஆனா இவ யாருமே இல்லையே. alas I am all alone. லோகப்ரபாத சத்யோயம் பண்டிதைஹி சமுதாஹ்ருதः அகாலே துர்லபோ மிருத்யுஹோ ஸ்திரியா வா புருஷஸ்ய வா யதஹமேவம் क्रूराभि राक्षसी विरिहार्दिता जीवामि हीना रामेण मुहूर्तमपि दुःखिता. It is certainly true that death does not come before its time, whether it is a man or a woman. We have got to survive until the time comes for us, having to go through whatever it is that life brings us. And it is so true in my case, because I am living in such a miserable condition, deprived of Rama, tormented by these Rakshasis, still death is not coming to me. येषा अल्प पुण्या कृपणा विनिशिष्याम्यनाथवत् समुद्र मध्ये नौः पूर्णा वायुवेगैरिवाहता. I'm a alpa punya. I'm a woman of very little punya. Kripana, I'm a wretched woman. Anathavat, I'm like an orphan. Yenna. Despite everything being there, I am here like an orphan. Abdina, what does it mean? Alas, I have so little punya in my balance. Bhartaram tam avashyanti. I do not know where my husband is. Engarkaro theriliye. Tam padma patraksham simha vikranta gaminam danyaha pashyanti me natam kritagnyam priyavadinam. Engarkaro theriliye. I do not know where my husband is, where my Lord is. Tam padmadala patraksham. His eyes are like the lotus petals. Simha Vikrantagaminam, he walks like with the majesty of the lion. Priyavadinam, he speaks with such pleasantness and sweetness in his words. Kritagnyam, he is a knower of, a man of great gratitude. Apayarbata Ramar, I'm separated from him. I do not know where he is. Ana Danyaka Pashyanti me natam. Those who are still in touch with him, those who are still able to see him, they indeed are the blessed ones. Alas, I do not have such a blessing. I have been separated from him even though I am his wife. Sarvata tena hinaya ramena viditatmana tikshnam vishamasvadya durlabham mama jeevitam. Separated from Rama, living a life separated from Rama is like a man who has already drunk poison. As unbearable as life is to a person who has drunk poison, so is my life without Rama. Enna papam panneno kidrisham tu mahapapam Maya Janmantare Kritam. In the Janmatala Pandaliya Unnum. I have not committed any great sin in this life. As much as I can understand, as much as I can think, I have not committed any sin. Ana Kritam Mahapapam Panilkuname. I must have committed an extraordinarily great sin. I do not know in which birth I have committed that sin. I am experiencing. Ye nedam prapyate dukkam maya goram sudarunam. This kind of a sorrow has come to me today. It is certainly the result of the great sin that I have committed in some previous birth or the other. எப்போ பண்ணேன்னு தெரியலையே எனக்கு. ஜீவிதும் தியக்தும் இச்சாமி ஷோகேன மகதாவிருதா ராட்சசி விஸ்சரக்ஷந்த்யா ராமோ நாசாத்யதே மயா. I want to give up my life, this life that is afflicted with so much misery and grief. I want to give it up. I have no hope whatsoever of reaching Rama. Cha digastu kalu manusham digastu paravashyata na shakyam yat parityaktum atmamachandena jeevitam. Fie upon this life, fie upon this human life, fie upon this dependency that I have got on others. I am not even free to let go of my life if I choose to. I cannot even end my life. She is crying. In various ways she is lamenting. Ragavasya pramattasya rakshasa kamarupina ravanena pramata Pramatyaham Anita Kroshati Balat Anike Katinene. As Ravana was carrying me away, at that time itself I called out Ha Rama Rama Rama. I never expected even in my dreams that I would be kept away from him for such a long time. Then and there I thought he would come to me within the next few moments, he would reach me. At least within the next day he will come and rescue me. Within weeks he will come and days have passed, weeks have passed, months have passed, 10 months have run away just like that, like a dream. Or a dream, like a nightmare. In the absence of Rama, Nahi me jivite narto naivarte nanabhushanaihi vasantya rakshasi madhye vinaramam maharatam. Separated from Rama, living this life without Rama, what need do I have of life itself? Ravana is coming and telling me, I will give you wealth, I will give you jewels, I will give you clothes, everything. I don't even care for life. What am I going to care for all of those things without Rama? She's looking at all the Rakshasis and say, if you want to do me a favor, kill me, eat me, kill me or eat me. They said Rama has forgotten you. Rama doesn't care for you. Kyata pragya kritagnyascha sanukrosascha ragavaha sadvrito niranukrosha shanke madbhagya sankhayat. 10 months she's been sitting here. Even if she does not have the thought, all the Rakshasis are suggesting it to her. In 10 months' time, has Rama made any efforts to find you? Here, you have not heard anything from him. Why are you living in this false hope? Certainly, Rama is not doing anything about you. Anna, அவளுக்கு அப்படி தோணலையாம். Sita doesn't think like that. How does Sita think? Kyata pragnya kritagnyascha sanukroshascha ragavaha. My Rama, how is he? அப்படின்னா kyataha, he is renowned, he is very famous. For what? அப்படின்னா pragnya, for his wisdom. Kritagnyascha, he is very wise. Sanukroshascha, he is very compassionate. Sadvritaha, he has got a perfectly good conduct. அப்படி இருக்கக்கூடிய ராமர், it is not Rama who has forgotten me. Unfortunately, madbhagya sanchayat. இது if Rama is not able to find me, அப்படினால் it is because of my own misfortune, my own karma is so bad. There is no blame to be ascribed to Sri Rama for this. அப்படின்னு சொல்ற. இன்னைக்கு தாட் ஃபார் த டே நினைக்கிறேன். இன்னைக்கு தான் டுடேஸ் தாட் ஃபார் த டே. ஐ திங்க் சுவாமி மென்ஷன் சம்திங் வெரி நைஸ். You are responsible for your happiness or misery. You should not blame others for your condition. You are responsible for your joy and sorrow. You should not blame anybody else for that. There is no point blaming anybody else. Sita is demonstrating that yarim blame panala. She's not blaming anybody. She's not blaming Rama. She's not saying Rama is not finding me. She says Rama knows. Rama is a person who knows what to do. Rama is a person filled with compassion. Rama is a person filled with wisdom. But in spite of all of that, if my karma is so bad, what will he do? Na karma balavantavagiddare ನೀನೇನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೀಯೋ ರಂಗ அப்படின்னு ஒரு பாட்டு. If my karma is so bad, hey Ranga, Panduranga, what will you do? What can you alone do? My karma is so bad. ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ವಿಪರೀತ ಪ್ರಾರಬ್ಧம் இருக்கு, கோர பிராரப்தம் இருக்கு. நீ மாத்திரம் என்ன பண்ணுவே ராமா? What will you do? அப்படின்னு சொல்றான். அப்படின்னு சொல்றா. ஆனால் நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் ஒரு நடுவுலயே ஒரு டவுட்டும் வருது அவளுக்கு. ராட்சசானாம் சஹஸ்ராணி ஜனஸ்தானே சதுர்தச ஏன ஏகேன நிரஸ்தானி சமாம் கிம் நாபிபத்யதே. 14,000 Rakshasas, he stood alone and conquered, defeated all of them. Such a Rama, why is he not coming to rescue me? Why is he not coming to battle Ravana? After all, he is a Alpaviryena Rakshasa. Ravana வந்து boast பண்ணிட்டு போயிருக்கான். Ravana has come and boasted in front of her and gone. And Sita says, Alpaviryena Rakshasa, this demon of inferior prowess. After all, Ravana. How long will it take for my Lord to destroy this Ravana? But why has he not come to rescue me? ವಿರಾದೋ ದಂಡಕಾರಣ್ಯೇ ಏನ ರಾಕ್ಷಸಮುಂಗವಃ ರಣೇ ರಾಮೇಣ ನಿಹತಸ್ಸ ಮಾಂ ಕಿಂ ನಾಭಿಪದ್ಯತೆ. Rama who killed Viradha in Dandakaranya, why has he not come to rescue me? Kamam madhye samudrasya lankeyam dushpradarshana. Certainly, undoubtedly, Lanka is in the middle of the ocean, but still it cannot escape Rama if Rama sets his mind upon it. In that case, why has Rama not come yet? किन्नु तत्कारणं येन रामो दृढपराक्रमः रक्षसा प्रकृतां भार्याम् इष्टां नाभ्यवपद्यते. What reason is there that Rama is not coming and protecting me? What is the reason why Rama is still keeping himself away from me and not coming to protect me? ஒரே ஒரு காரணம் தான் இருக்கணும். என்னது அப்படின்னா, he may perhaps does not know. ihastam mamna janite shanke lakshmana purvajaha. Lakshmana's elder brother does not know where I am. That is the only reason why he has not yet taken any action அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறேனே. ஆனா ஜட்டாயு சொல்லக்கூடாதா? ஆஹா, that day Jatayu came to rescue me. Unfortunately, he met his match in Ravana. Ravana felled him, cut off his wings and he fell to the ground. Should he perhaps not have told Rama that Ravana has taken and brought me here? Would he not have told Rama? At the same time, she thinks, but that old Jatayu, who knows whether he was still alive by the time Rama came there? Maybe he died before Rama came, so he could not even pass the information to Rama. Engarkaro theriyaliye. Where is Rama? What is he doing? What is the state of mind in which he should be going through? He does not even know where his wife is. அவர் என்ன கஷ்டப்படுறாரோ அப்படின்னு நினைச்சுட்டு. ஏன்னா, if only Raghava had known that I am here. यदि माम इह जानीयाद वर्तमानाम स राघवः. If Rama had known that I am here, அப்படின்னா, then he would have destroyed all the Rakshasas in this world. He would have freed the world from the grip of the Rakshasas in his anger. Had he known that I am in this Lanka, then his arrows would have showered upon Lanka and destroyed all of Lanka, dried up the ocean itself. and would have destroyed Lanka. இப்படி நான் அழ விடுவாளா? Will he be allowing me to cry in this manner? அப்படின்னு சொல்றேன். If only Rama Lakshmana managed to come to Lanka, then will any Rakshasa, will any enemy be able to still be alive after they have set their sights upon them? Bandhudum, as soon as Rama comes, very soon, she tells all the Rakshasis, as soon as my Lord comes here, you will know what will happen. All of this Lanka will be turned into a graveyard. There will only be funeral fires everywhere. All the women will be crying and lamenting, having become widows. All kinds of ill luck and misfortune alone will come to you. This so-called impregnable Lanka will wither up. It will dry up. It will be like a rotten fruit. Abdinalam, she starts to lament, vent her anger. Ellam andra bhav. She says all of those things. Avulukuliye thoughts varudhu. She's again and again she's thinking, has he left me? Has he abandoned me? அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறா. Has he abandoned me? இல்லையா? Does he not know where I am? Otherwise, could it be that நூனம் மமைவ ஷோகேன சவீரோ லக்ஷ்மணாக்ரஜः தேவலோகமிதோ யாதஸ்த்யக்த்வா தேகம் மஹீதலே? Or else, having lost me, suffering the same sort of sorrow that I am suffering, has he perhaps given up his body and gone away? Has he gone to Devaloka after having given up his body? Appadina Danya Devasya Gandharvaha Siddhascha Paramarshayah Mama Pashyanti Me Ye Natham Ramam Rajiva Lochanam. Appa Devas, Gandharvas, Siddhas, Rishis, all of them are indeed lucky and fortunate because they will be daily seeing my Rama in Swargaloka. Appadi illiya Rama illiya? Illa Atava Nahi Tasya Artho धर्म कामस्य धीमतः मया रामस्य राजर्षे भार्यया परमात्मनः. Otherwise, when I have been taken away, அப்படிங்கிறதுனால did Rama accept that also as his own fate, and instead as a Rajarishi did he immerse himself in dhyanam itself? Is he sitting in samadhi sthiti? Has he forgotten completely about me? And has he immersed yana vidhimam rishabhistulyam vimalam dharmamastitam அப்படின்னு சொன்னாரு. அன்னைக்கே when Kaikeyi Mata was asking him to go to the forest, he told her, I am a rishi. அப்படின்னு he said, I know that he is a rishi. Therefore, since I am not there, has he given up upon me and instead started to meditate upon the Atma, became one with the Paramatma and is sitting somewhere in samadhi sthiti? அப்படி ஆயிட்டாரா? दृश्यमाने भवेत् प्रीति सौहृदो नास्त्यपश्यतः नाशयन्ति कृतज्ञास्तु न रामो नाशयिष्यति. It is said that love will exist as long as we are in contact with each other, as long as we are in front of each other. If we are far away, அப்படின்னா out of sight, out of mind அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவா இல்லையா? அந்த மாதிரி because I have been separated from him for such a long time, has Rama given up on me? அப்படின்னா ஆனா na Ramo nashayishyati, but Rama is not like that இல்லையா? I know my Rama is not like that. He will not give up so easily upon me. அப்படின்னு இப்படியே அவளுக்குள்ளேயே தனக்குள்ளேயே ஆர்கியூ பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கா. என்ன பண்றா? Why have they not come? Do they not know where I am? Are they still alive? Has my fortune diminished so much? Have they both the brothers given up arms, taken up to full-fledged asceticism, become rishis and are only concentrating on tapasya? என்னதான் நடக்கிறது? Why? Or has this Ravana somehow killed both of them? என்ன ஆச்சு அப்படின்னு தெரியலையே அப்படின்னு in this manner she is calling out many ways. Danya kalu mahatmano munayastakta tyakta kilbishaha jita atmano mahabhaga yesham nasta priya priye priyan sambhave dukkham apriyad adhikam bhayam ताभ्याम ही ये वियुज्यन्ते नमस्तेषां महात्मनां. धन्याः खलु महात्मानः धन्याः. She says those holy ones are the blessed ones. Who are the holy ones? அப்படின்னா Munayas Tyaktakilbishaha, Munis, the sages, Tyaktakilbishaha, who have given up all sins and sinful activities. Jitatmanaha, who have controlled themselves. Mahabhagaha, the great exalted ones. The sages irkale, Abadan Dhanyad, they are the most fortunate ones. Yenna, Yesham nasta priya priye. They have no likes or dislikes. They have no pleasure or displeasure. They have gone beyond all of those things and they are sitting established in samadhi. They alone are the blessed ones because they will neither suffer in sorrow like me nor unduly rejoice in happiness. Samatvama with equanimity they are living their lives. They alone are blessed ones. Adanal na vaal namaskaram pandren. Priyanna sambhave dukkam अप्रियाद अधिकं भयं ताभ्यां हि ये वियुज्यन्ते नमस्तेषां महात्मनां. I salute all of those great sages who have distanced themselves from pleasure and pain. Priya, apriya, pleasant and unpleasant, both of them they have detached themselves from it. They have removed themselves from it. அதனால அவளுக்கு தான் I surrender to them, I salute them, I offer my salutations to them அப்படின்னு சீதா prays to them. இப்படியா in various manners when she was lamenting, அப்போ நமஸ்தேஷாம் மகாத்மனஹான்னு சொன்னாலையா. நமஸ்தேஷாம் மகாத்மனஹாம், I salute Mahatmas அப்படின்னு சொன்ன உடனே the moment she saluted the Mahatmas, hope starts to come. அது வால்மீகி ஒரு காரணத்தோட தானே போடுறாரு எல்லாத்தையுமே. When we are without any hope whatsoever, இப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும்னா மகாத்மாக்களை நினைச்சுக்கணும். But to think about all the holy ones, the great sages, the Gyanis, the Mahatmas, Mahapurushas that are there. ஏன்னா அவள்லாம் ரொம்ப சாதவோ தீனவத்சலாஹா. சாதவோ தீனவத்சலாஹா. சாதுஸோடைய ஹிருதயம் எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா, the heart of the Mahatmas, heart of the sadhus is very tender. They will not look at qualifications and disqualifications. They will not look at merits and demerits. The moment somebody cries out from pain, immediately the heart of the sadhu will melt and he will do whatever he can to help. அப்படி எல்லா மகாத்மாக்களும் உலகத்துல எந்தரோ மகானுபாவுలు అందరికీ వందనము அப்படின்னு Sita offers the salutations to all the Mahapurushas and the Mahatmas who have detached themselves, all the Jnanis who have detached themselves from the dualities of life. அவருக்கு நமஸ்காரம் பண்ண நாளைக்கும் என்ன ஆச்சு அப்படின்னா, when she saluted all of them, ராட்சசி த்ரிஜடா விருத்தா ஷயானா வாக்கியம் அப்ரவீத். த்ரிஜடான்னு ஒரு விருத்தா, ஒரு old ராட்சசி called Trijata is there. அப்ப she was lying down, she was sleeping. இப்பதான் எழுந்துக்கிறா மெதுவா சவகாசமா. Slowly she is waking up. எப்படி தூங்கினான்னு தெரியாது, இவ்வளவு அட்டகாசம் நடந்திருக்கு. Ravana has come and gone. All the Rakshasis have scolded and yelled at Sita variously. Sita has lamented and cried variously. She has slept through all of that. Not only slept, she has dreamt also. To sleep perchance to dream. அப்படின்னு சொன்னான் இல்லையா, அந்த மாதிரி she has slept so that she can also have a dream. Now she is waking up. எழுந்துட்டா. எழுந்து பார்க்கறா, எல்லாம் கத்துறதுலாம் கேட்கறது. இந்த கத்துறதுலாம் எழுப்பிட்டுட்டாங்க. She is woken up by all these shouts. She wakes up, she looks at all the Rakshasis, she knows what is happening. This is a daily schedule. கார்த்தால அடுத்த பண்ணுங்கள் இதுக்கெல்லாம் டைம் டேபிள் மாதிரி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பீரியட் அப்படி ஸ்கூலில் வரும் இல்லையா பீரியட். அந்த மாதிரி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பீரியட் என்னதுன்னா threaten Sita, செகண்ட் பீரியட் try to persuade her, third period to threaten her again, fourth period persuade her. இப்படி ஷெட்யூல் டைம் டேபிள் போட்டு வச்சுட்டு. அதனால when Trijata woke up she understood what is happening. அதனால நீங்க சொன்னா ஆத்மானோ காததா நார்யா ந சீதாம் பக்ஷயிஷ்யதா ஜனகஸ்ய சுதாம் இஷ்டாம் ஸ்னுஷாம் தசரதஸ்ய ச. அத்தனை ராட்சசிகள் மத்தியில, amongst all of those Rakshasis who are all terrible to look at, who are all of terrible conduct, of terrible words, இங்க ஒன்னே ஒன்னு Trijata alone is like a breath of fresh air in the midst of all of it. இவ மாத்திரம் ஏன் இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னா அதான் பகவத் நியதி. Amongst all these Rakshasis, why should Trijata alone be there? Does Ravana not know Trijata's qualities, Trijata's nature? No matter what, no matter who knows what, if Bhagavan wants to give us a hope, there will be a hope sitting right in the middle of it. All despair. Yar and the hope, Trijata is that hope. Our Shulra, she looks at all the Rakshasis and says, you want to eat Sita up? Eat yourself up instead. Atmanam khadata anarya. You uncultured beasts. You devour yourselves, not Sita. Don't you dare do anything to Sita. Vayarana Janakasya Sudam Ishtam Snusham Dasharathasya cha. She is Janaka Maharaja's beloved daughter, Dasharatha Maharaja's beloved daughter-in-law. எனக்கு என்ன போச்சு, What is the other Rakshasas are thinking, what is it to me whether she is Janaka's daughter or Dasharatha's daughter-in-law, or Dasharatha's daughter and Janaka's daughter-in-law? How does it matter to me? We are only interested in how she tastes. Swapno hi adyamaya drishto daruno roma harshanaha. I saw a dream just now, a terrible dream. It caused my hair to stand on its ends. Rakshasanam bhavaya bharturasya bhavaya cha. I saw a dream that in which I saw the annihilation of all the Rakshasas and the triumph of Sita's husband. அப்படின்னு சொன்ன உடனே ஏவ முக்தா ஸ்திரஜடயா ராட்சஸ்யா क्रोधमूर्छिता का सर्वा एवा ब्रुवद् भीताः त्रिजटां तामिदं वचः. The moment Trijata said this, all the Rakshasas became very afraid. They all came and sat around Trijata and they said, Trijata, Trijata, Kathayasva, Tvaya Drishta Swapnoyam Kidrisho Nishi. Tell us, what was the dream that you saw? Please tell us, what is it? அப்படின்னு எல்லாம் கேட்கறது. ஏன் அப்படின்னா Trijata has a kind of a reputation. Bit of a seeress she is. A prophetess she is. Oracle of Delphi Madriya. So all the Rakshasas also know அவளுக்கு ஆத்துல பிரச்சனை அப்படின்னா அவள் தான் கேட்பா. If they have any problems in their homes, Rakshasas will come and ask Trijata. Trijata will say, I will sleep over it. Leave it with me, I will sleep over it. Next morning, she will wake up and say, I saw a dream. In the dream, this is the solution. But then Rakshasas will go implement it, the solution. என்னோட மூக்குத்திய காணும் அப்படின்னு. மூக்குத்தி எங்கேயோ வச்சு எங்க இருக்கிறது தெரியவே மாட்டேங்கிறது. எந்த மூக்கு தலையில இருக்க மண்டையில இருக்கிற மூக்கு. The Rakshasi who has got her nose tight on top of her head, she lost her nose ring, it seems. So she came and told Trijata, I don't know where my nose ring has gone. Trijata said, don't worry, I will sleep over it. Next morning she woke up. It is near the well. Then they went and found it near the well. Apparently Trijata got famous. Trijata was sort of a prophetess. Anything everybody had a problem, they will come to Trijata. Trijata was able to solve all their troubles. Adhanal everybody had faith in Trijata's words. So when Trijata said, I had a dream, everybody sat down. Martin Luther King thought, I had a dream. Even before that, Trijata said, I had a dream. I have a dream. If I had a dream. I had a dream. Everybody sat down. What dream did you have? Tell me. Gajatantamayim divyam shivhikam antarikshagam yuktam hamsa sahasrena स्वयमास्ताय राघवः शुक्लमाल्यां भरधरो लक्ष्मणेन सागतः. In a palanquin made of ivory drawn by 1,000 swans flying through the air, I saw Rama and Lakshmana dressed in pure white clothes. Swapne chadyamaya drishta Sita shuklam baravrita. Sagarena parikshiptam shvetam parvatamastita. Sita also I saw dressed in pure white robes symbolizing royalty. Ramena sangata Sita Bhaskarena prabhayata Raghavascha maya drashta Chaturudamshtram mahagajam Aruda shailasankasham Chachara sagalakshmanaha. Sita was united with Rama even as the light of the sun unites with the sun. Rama was sitting upon an elephant with 4 tusks. Along with Lakshmana and Sita, I saw all the 3 of them seated upon that elephant, the back of the elephant, dressed in white garlands, white clothes, the 2 brothers who are like Narashardulahu, like tigers amongst men. Glowing in their effulgence, they approached Janaki. And Janaki was also made to sit upon the back of that great elephant. I saw Sita jumping onto the lap of Rama. I saw her playfully playing with the sun and the moon as the elephant flew into the sky. Various dreams I saw Rama. Yevam swapne maya drishto Ramo Vishnu Parakramaha Lakshmanena Sabrata Sitaya Sagaragavaha. I saw Rama as Sakshat Shriman Narayana himself, as Vishnu himself. And Sita was there with him, Lakshmana was there with him. I saw all of them accomplishing success. They were proceeding happily in the northern direction towards Ayodhya. On the other hand, I saw our Ravana, our king Ravana, lying upon the ground, smeared in oil, clad in red, wearing a garland of lilies, intoxicated with drinking. I saw Ravana with his head shaven, clad also in black clothes falling down from the Pushpaka Vimana, being dragged by a woman. He was drinking and laughing and dancing, his mind and senses perplexed, not even knowing that he has been completely defeated. He was being taken in a chariot yoked to donkeys. I saw him in that chariot driven by donkeys proceed in the southerly direction towards where Yama is. Patito Vakchirara Bhumau Gardabha Bayamohitaha. Filled with great fear and delusion, I saw Ravana go down south. I saw him terror-stricken. I saw him fully confused with intoxication. He had almost gone mad. Unmatta iva digvasa. He was mad. He was nude. He was uttering Durvakyam pralapan bahu. All kinds of nonsense he was uttering. He had fallen into a pool of filth. Durgandam, Dusaham Goram, Timiram Narakopamam, Malapankam, Pravishyashu, Magnas Tatrasa Ravanaha. I saw Ravana fall down into a foul-smelling pit of refuse. I saw Kumbhakarna and Ravana's son Meghanatha and all the other sons of Ravana also undergo the same fate. In the midst of them all, Ekastatra maya drishta. One alone I saw different amongst all of them. Shweta Chatro Vibhishanaha. Under the white umbrella, I saw Vibhishana. Shuklamalyam Baradaraha. Just as Rama was, he was also dressed in white. He was also having a white garland. Shuklagandha Anulepanaha. I saw Vibhishana alone in the white umbrella, clad in white with white garlands, hailed by the sounds of conches and drums, with musicians and dancers in front of him. Vibhishana was seen. I saw him ascend upon the elephant, four-tusked elephant. He stood there with four ministers. With four ministers, I saw him standing there enjoying the sovereignty over all the world. அப்படின்னு சொல்றா. அது மாத்திரம் இல்ல, அவ என்ன சொல்றா அப்படின்னா, லங்கா திரஷ்டா மயா ஸ்வப்னே ராவணேனா விரக்ஷிதா Dagda Ramasya Dutena Vanarena Darasvina. I also saw all of Lanka burnt to ashes by a messenger of Rama, a monkey. Vanarena, I saw a monkey who claimed to be the messenger of Ravana and he burnt Lanka to ashes. Vithaniyum nam paarthen. Adanala, illa inge pongo. Go away from here. Don't you dare threaten Sita anymore, because this is what is going to happen. All of you know how my dreams come true. This is the future. This is what the future has in store for all the Rakshasis of the Rakshasas. Rama is going to win, and when he wins and he comes here and he learns that all of you Rakshasis have been tormenting his dear wife, appo enna agum, imagine what will happen to you. Priyam Bhagumatam Bharyam Vanavasamanuvratam Bhartisatam Tarjitam Vapi Nanumam Syati Ragavaha Tadalam Kruravakyescha Santayitve Santvameva Vidiyatam Abhiyajam Avaidehim Taddim Amarochate. Adanala, give up all these cruel taunts, all these mockery, all these torture that you are doing of Sita. Speak to her nicely from now on. Seek her forgiveness from now on. Beg her pardon even though you had threatened her earlier. Otherwise is going to have a great fear. Barsitam abhiyachadvam rakshasya kim vivakshaya ragavadhivayam ghoram rakshasanam upastitam. A great fear is coming to all of the Rakshasas from Rama. Adanala, what is the need to say too much? You all threatened her before. Adanala, you better seek her pardon. Go and fall at her feet and seek pardon from her. Appadinu solra. Because otherwise we will not have time to do justice to the next shloka, which is a most important shloka. Pranipata prasannahi maithili janakatmaja alamesha paritratum rakshasyo mahato bhayat. And the shlokam, Nanaki, we will see the great truth, the great glory that is contained within this particular shloka that Trijata says with respect to Sita. Janaki Kanta Smaranam आंजनेय स्वामी की जय। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। हरि ओम तत्सत्। श्री साईश्वरार्पणमस्तु।